Hey, fellow affiliate marketers and online business enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of promoting Clickbank products on Instagram. Instagram, as we all know, is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell. You never miss out on our latest content. All right, so if you haven't already, make sure you have an Instagram account, which is a business account. So there's our personal and business account. So you might want to switch on to a business account because it will give you access to valuable insights and advertising options. All right. Okay, so I'm hovering here at clickbank.com blog because it provides a very valuable information, all right, to Instagram affiliate marketing. So I suggest you go here. So shout outs to you, sir, to the blog writer here. Um, there are 3 steps you should follow to find success with Instagram affiliate marketing. And number one is build a community around your topic, niche or audience. Number two is find affiliate offers to promote. Number three is publish regular content that directs people to an offer. So let's hover to the step one, which is building an Instagram following. So first off is you need a following in your Instagram. Otherwise, who are you going to put affiliate orders, right? But before you publish a single post story, or you need to decide who you want to talk to, like with any online business, your Instagram will be more successful if it's centered around a specific topic called niche or audience. For example, an Instagram influencer like this a V-Shred is going to post almost entirely health and fitness related to content, as would a big brand like Nike would do, right? Okay. So you have a lot of topics or certain criteria you would like to represent, like photography, fitness, beauty, fashion, cooking, and activism. But the most important part is niching down. So it's important to strategize, right? And so you could get better and be good to associate your name or brand with a specific topic. Okay. And anyone who comes across your Instagram will be able to tell what you're all about right away and decide if it's a good fit for them. So there's no second guessing if you niche down your brand. Okay. There's obviously a lot you need to know to build a following on Instagram. Most of which involves creating a top-notch content, but choosing your niche first. You have to start somewhere, right? So start there and then find an affiliate program for Instagram. Um, this is one of the most crucial part, I guess, after step one, because almost any of the prominent affiliate networks are supported on Instagram. So you can feel free to experiment with different ones to find the best affiliate offers for your brand. But don't worry, guys. At Clickbank, they believe the selection of quality offers and high commission rates are up to 75% or higher. It's tough to beat anywhere, right? So you can click here, okay, to choose products to promote on Instagram. So I suggest after reading that part in the step two, you might hover here to 5 tips on how to choose affiliate products to promote. Here, I went here some time ago, and it's really informative. So I suggest you might want to go here and read, understand all of it, right? And then finding a ClickBank affiliate offer. Of course, you have to sign up for a ClickBank account. It's free, but I assume you already have one. All right. You can always go to Clickbank Marketplace and start looking for a niche or category to specific offer that looks promising. Like for this one right here, first CBD offer on Clickbank one, and then um actually to find out more about getting set up as an affiliate on Clickbank, you can choose this link, Clickbank for Beginners Guide. So Clickbank has already made it easier for you guys. And step three would be publish quality content regularly, right? So, like any business, your Instagram account is competing for attention in a competitive space. So you have to publish regularly, otherwise you're gonna be lost in the digital landscape of Instagram or the multimedia platform. And while it's obviously not a pure, but exceptional content does not tend to rise to the top. That means having a pulse on what your audience cares about, being creative, using quality equipment, and putting real effort into every aspect of your content creation will push forward, right? And also, you might want to maximize the using of hashtags. Part of a good content includes a strategic use of hashtags in your description. All right, quick reminder, a hashtag is just a searchable word or phrase that describes what your post is about. It makes your post publicly visible to people outside your current following, right? For example, a hashtag beautiful, hashtag clickbank, hashtag easy earl, right? And you have to take note of consistency over quality. Okay, like this one, these are the suggested, but it's up to you really. It's a matter of preference. But one feed post per weekday, 1 to 2 stories per day, one reel every other day, so that the audience will not be bombarded and will not get tired of you posting relentlessly without quality, just all quantity. And here, well, basically, there's a lot more information for you to digest. So I said, I I'm telling you right now, you have to do and go over here at clickbank.com blog, Instagram affiliate marketing. All right. It's very informative. I've read this for quite some time and a lot of times already. So that's it. And once again, we have also other link for you to check on. Just click on the accounts here. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.